Right now, every one of us is working towards slowing down the COVID-19 graph, and for that, we all are locked in a home with our family members. No gyms are open, no fitness studios, even though we cannot go outside. So, the question which comes up is how do we lose our weight and how do we maintain ourselves during this lockdown period? Make sure to watch till end of this video. Welcome to my channel. In today's videos, we are discussing how do we lose our weight and how do we maintain ourselves during this lockdown period. First of all, we need to understand healthy living is a lifetime commitment. There are no shortcuts over here. So now I'll be sharing you few steps, कुछ ऐसे action points दूंगा जो यदि आप implement करते हैं, you'll be obviously getting the amazing results. So let's get started. So point number 1 is make sure to have a schedule for yourself. From morning to evening, what you are going to do, you should have a plan of action. So starting your day with a proper schedule is going to help you stay focused towards your goal. यहाँ पे make sure आप ये रखिए कि आप दिन भर जो भी काम करने वाले हैं, तो step by step अपने plan of action में डाल के वहाँ पे आप mention करिए. So this is point number 1. Point number 2 is about being physically active and spending 45 minutes doing workout. If you have not done any kind of physically activity or exercises last 1 month, I would recommend to start with only 30 minutes or 50 minutes. That will more than enough. Remember to start with proper warm up, then go for the workout and then end with a proper stretching. And यदि आप लोग already 1 महीने से workout कर रहे हैं, तो don't spend much of your time doing cardio type workouts like Zumba. These are good, but remember this is not going to help you burn calories or maintain yourself during the lockdown period. Since the gym, fitness studios are closed, we need to find a way जहाँ पे हम घर से workout कर सकते हैं. So it is very crucial to spend much of your time doing high intensity workout or strength training, which is not only going to improve your muscles, but it is also going to help you reduce the amount of fat in your body. So spend 45 minutes on daily basis and be active. So point number 3 and point number 4 is regarding your nutrition habits. Point number 3 is more about how much protein you should consume. Because आप सबको पता है, because you are doing exercise and यदि आप उसमें अभी protein add करेंगे, you will be decreasing the amount of calories जो अंदर जा रहा है. Plus it is obviously going to improve your muscles. Right? Protein related video मैंने अपने YouTube channel में डाला हुआ है. Link यहाँ पे mentioned है, आप उसको go through कर सकते हैं. And point number 4 is regarding the amount of fiber you are consuming on a daily basis. Remember, the fruits and vegetables plays a very crucial role into your body overall development. The more amount of fruit and vegetable you are consuming, it is not only going to give you vitamin and minerals, but these are less in calories and help you lose and also going to help you lose weight. राइट आप सीजनल जितना ज्यादा फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल खाएंगे उतना आपके लिए बेहतर है, उतना आपके बॉडी को न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा. एंड द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट क्या है कि दीज आर वेरी लो इन कैलोरीज. आप खाना खाने से पहले बिफोर योर लंच 20 मिनट्स बिफोर मेक श्योर आप एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का सलाद आप खा रहे हैं एंड डेली बेसिस में मिनिमम 25 ग्राम ऑफ फाइबर डाल रहे हैं. सो एंड इट इज ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इंप्रूव योर डाइजेशन. And the last point is about having water. Hydration कितना crucial is गर्मियों में आप सबको पता है. The more amount of water you are going to have, it is going to help you remove all the toxins which are getting accumulated in your body on daily basis. So remember to have minimum 3 to 4 liters of water on daily basis. As per science, every 20 kg of human body weight need 1 liter water on daily basis. That should be in pure form, not in any juice or any beverages. What you need to focus on is having a good quality, pure form of water on daily basis, minimum 3 to 4 liters. That is going to help you remain calm, remove all the toxins from your body, as well as help you in weight management. So this is point number 5. And these are the points which you accumulate everything and follow for a certain duration. You're obviously going to achieve your weight loss as well as you are going to maintain yourself. Remember not to have any kind of too much oil, fried or packed food. Go for more natural food which is available in your home or you can make your food at your home. ये 5 points यदि फॉलो करते हैं डेली बेसिस में, आई एम 100% श्योर जैसे हमारे बहुत सारे लोगों ने वेट लॉस किया एंड मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, द सेम वे यू कैन ऑल्सो अचीव योर गोल्स. So follow these things. If you have any queries, questions, my number and the details are mentioned below. Feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you so much for joining with us.